My name is Ansari Bulbar Zaman, BSMT 3B1. Why did I choose Maritime School? I chose Maritime School because I know I can excel in this profession, and in this profession I can able to give my best, the opportunity for me, and I can show what I have. How can I show respect in the class? My three example is: first, I I listen to what they said or say, or when they are reciting. Second, analyze their answer or give a feedback, or if it is wrong I can suggest a the right answer. And the last is brainstorming with them. That's the way I will respect them. In 5 years I will be an officer in a ship or shipping company, and I will give my best to surpass my dream to become a captain, and to give more, to give experience and give knowledge to other students like me after 5 years. Legacy that I want to remembered me by the other is when I become a captain. That legacy is the only thing for me that I will give to others, and the knowledge and the experience that I will suffer or experience on how to become a captain, or an officer is the legacy that I will choose to be remembered. That's all. Thank you.